Hello everyone. So I was watching Dylan Loomis's video today, the host of Electrified, and he mentioned about this Tesla solar roof that is installed in Nevis, and I had to do a video on it because I'm currently in St. Kitts and Nevis. So I looked it up and found some information on it that I'll share with you. So I found this article here from Teslarati. The Tesla solar roof makes its international debut in the Caribbean. So just for a little context, St. Kitts is right here, east of Puerto Rico and north of St. Lucia, Martinique, and Dominica, right next door to Montserrat, Antigua and Barbuda. And I'll zoom out a bit so you can get a better picture. So here's the Dominican Republic. This is South America here. And St. Kitts and Nevis is right here. So it's a pretty small place. And that's where I am right now. So let's check out this article. The Tesla solar roof has made its international debut on the island of St. Kitts and Nevis in the Caribbean. Residential solar projects have been quickly growing in popularity, particularly in parts of the United States where owners can get paid for the energy they contribute to the grid. Within those markets, Tesla's premium offering, the solar roof, has slowly but surely been gaining a following of its own. Now the Tesla solar roof has been installed outside of the United States for the first time ever. The first international solar roof install was announced by the Tesla certified installer Kelly Roofing, based in Florida. The company showed off its latest project in a now viral tweet showing the roof overlooking the nearby ocean. So let's check out the pictures. Here's beautiful Nevis, and this is the solar roof here. You can kind of see the tiles that are the solar tiles from this angle, but my understanding is if you're looking at it from ground level, you wouldn't notice the difference. But this was obviously taken with a drone. The view looking out towards the ocean. I guess that's the owner there. And here's his power walls that store the electricity that will be generated by the solar tiles on the roof. According to the post from the company, the new project was installed at the Four Seasons Resort on the island of Nevis, part of the country of St. Kitts and Nevis. The pair of islands sits in the southern section of the Caribbean, east of Puerto Rico. And they also posted a video here on Twitter. It's also on YouTube, so let's check it out.
Check out this Tesla solar roof. It's installed in the island of Nevis, which is in the West Indies, Caribbean. This roof is the first international install of the new Tesla solar roof system. This revolutionary system is designed to be roof and photovoltaic panels built in together. If you want to live off-grid, where you're in a remote location, the Tesla solar roof is the perfect solution for you. Here's how it works. The Tesla solar roof generates electricity during the day. You can store it in Powerwall battery backup and then use those battery backups during the night when the sun goes down. This is a gorgeous roof system. It's modern, it's sleek, and did you know it's made out of tempered glass? It's highly wind resistant and it stands up to hail. So no matter where you are, the Tesla solar roof is the perfect solution for you.
Pretty cool. Back to the article. What makes the Tesla solar roof system so enticing, particularly in a place like the Caribbean, is its pairing with the Tesla Powerwall, which provides backup power in the event of a blackout. This added protection from complete loss of power could be a great addition to any building for owners in weather-prone locations, especially in areas with significant hurricanes. This system in particular is fitted with 4 Powerwall units, as seen in the images provided by Kelly Roofing. Besides the solar roof's impressive power generation capabilities, Tesla notes on its website that the tempered glass tiles are just as strong, if not stronger, than traditional roofing competitors, only further enticing buyers in temperamental regions like the Caribbean. Tesla even provides a 25-year warranty for the roofing tiles as an added layer of protection. It remains unclear when Tesla will make its unique solar roof available outside of the United States, but it likely can't come quickly enough for some customers. Luckily, with so many options in the market, including a growing number of solar competitors, Tesla may be pushed to expand sooner rather than later. So I had actually heard about this through the grapevine because I'm always talking about Tesla, so I spoke about Tesla with some locals here, and they mentioned, oh, there's a guy in Nevis who installed a Tesla solar roof, because I was wondering if anyone had a Tesla car in St. Kitts and Nevis, and as far as I know, nobody does. All I have seen is a Nissan Leaf so far in here in St. Kitts. So Nevis is the smaller of the two islands. I'm currently in St. Kitts, but I've gone over to Nevis a few times, and it's really beautiful there. It's beautiful here too, but I think Nevis is even slightly. It has a uniqueness to it that's hard to describe, but it's even more remote, I would say, and yeah, very beautiful place. And it's my understanding that this person went out of their way, obviously, to get Tesla to install these panels at their place. I imagine they paid a pretty penny to get these put in, but pretty slick installation, as you saw by the pictures. St. Kitts and Nevis is a place where they could get hit by a hurricane, so I think they wanted these roof tiles as they're built pretty tough, and they come with a 25-year warranty from Tesla, so I think they made a good choice there. Kind of makes me want to go back to Nevis and try and find the location, which it shouldn't be too hard because it says it's a hotel here. When I was speaking to the locals, I thought it was a private owner of a home who put them in, but it sounds like it's actually a hotel. Pretty cool to see. So yeah, that's my piece for this evening. Tesla investor call tomorrow, so I'll be sure to cover that. My name is Evan Bertrand. This is the Evergreen channel. Subscribe if you like by clicking on the wheel in the bottom right, and thanks for watching.